Lindsay, and today we're doing a really easy spin on a totally trending dessert with my easy cream tart cake. I'm sure you guys have seen these like everywhere. They're all over Instagram and Pinterest. I've seen them all over the place. They're called cream tarts or number cakes or letter cakes. I just did a really easy version where I took cookie dough and I layered it with some frosting in between it on top, and then just added all kinds of beautiful decorations like fresh fruit and fresh flowers and pretty pink candies. You can definitely customize these to match the theme of any event or occasion. I just did a heart with pops of pink and red because it just is obviously kind of my thing, if you haven't caught on already. It's probably one of the most beautiful, elegant, gorgeous things I've ever made, and it was so easy. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. Okay, so we start with the cookie layers, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So here I have a batch of cut out sugar cookie dough, and I went ahead and split it in half between 2 baking sheets. And I'll leave a link to my homemade version, but you can definitely use store-bought cookie dough too if you want. Just make sure it's the cutout sugar cookie dough and not the kind that spreads into cookies so you keep that beautiful heart shape. Then I went ahead and made a template to create the heart shape. You can definitely make any kind of letter or number you want for a special occasion, but for the heart, I just folded a piece of parchment paper in half and I drew a little half heart. And you totally feel like you're in elementary school again. Did anybody else make like zillions of these hearts and tape them everywhere? Okay, maybe just me, I don't know. Then you're gonna flatten out the cookie dough and add your heart template right on top, and just use a rolling pin to roll it out nice and flat. And just go ahead and use your hands to kind of move the dough around to keep it into that perfect heart shape. And you're just gonna do this 2 times so you can create the 2 layers of cookie dough. All right, now we're just gonna pop these in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. It could take a little more, a little less, depending on how thick or how big your shape is, so just make sure to keep an eye on it. Okay, while the cookies are in the oven, you're just gonna go ahead and prepare your frosting. You can do whipped cream, you could do cream cheese frosting, you could do vanilla buttercream, you could do a whole chocolate version, whatever you like. That's the best part about this recipe. I just put it in a piping bag with a little star tip to get that pretty star dollop look, but you can also just put it in a plain Ziploc baggie and snip off the corner and just pipe little round dollops all around too. I told you guys, I'm gonna make this real easy for you. Okay, that was no time at all. Our cookies should be almost done. I'm just gonna pull them out of the oven, and while they're still warm, you're gonna take a big heart cookie cutter and just go ahead and press it right into the center so we can get that heart-shaped cutout right in the middle. Then I'm gonna let this cool and go ahead and put together our toppings for the top. You can go nuts here and do whatever you want. I did a variety of fresh fruits and fresh flowers and some pink candies and sprinkles. Just make sure if you're using fresh flowers, you don't want the flour touching the frosting, so I went ahead and just took some tin foil and covered the stem of the flour. That way when you stick it into the frosting, you don't get any cross-contamination between the flour and the food. Okay, so our cookies are nice and cool. Just go ahead and remove the heart cutout from the center and discard it or eat it. That's what I did. And the best part about this is they don't have to be perfect because we're covering them in frosting. So if your cutout looks all rigid and not cute like mine does, don't even worry. I promise you, in the end, you are not even gonna notice. So just go ahead and place one of your heart cookies on a serving platter. I used the not as pretty one, but it doesn't even matter because they're both getting covered anyway. And go ahead and pipe dollops of your frosting right all around the border. Just go ahead and fill in the gaps until the entire cookie is covered. Then you're gently gonna place the second cookie right on top and just go ahead and pipe away until the entire top is covered in pretty little dollops of frosting. Okay, now here's where you go nuts, get creative, do whatever you want. I went ahead and added some pretty gold sprinkles all over, some fresh strawberry halves, some fresh raspberries, and all the pink candies. I just went ahead and grabbed whatever I had in my cupboard. I have tons, so I had to use some self-control and restrain myself. If you guys want a link to these strawberry chocolate bars, I'll leave a link where you can make these. I made these homemade, but you can do any kind of candy combination you want. And to finish it off, go ahead and add your pretty fresh flowers. Oh my gosh, I love the combination of the fresh flowers and the bright red fruit. You guys, I am like so beyond obsessed with this. How gorgeous did it turn out? I like totally didn't even know it was gonna come out this pretty. I'm like, I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty and beautiful. I like don't even want to slice into it. And I can't believe how easy it was to put together. It's way easier than like frosting a whole layer cake, and it just comes out. I mean, you don't even really need a fork to eat it because it's technically kind of a cookie, so you could just pick it up and eat it. Oh my gosh, that soft sugar cookie and the fresh fruit with that sweet frosting and the crunchy cookie. This is like the best combination of all desserts. Everybody's totally gonna love this. This is a showstopper. You wanna impress your friends and families? You guys, this is the recipe. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to tag me on social media at Lindsay and Bake so I can see what you guys came up with, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally be just as obsessed with this cream tart cake. It's like so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching and leaving me comments. You're the best. I love you so much. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye guys. Okay, so this week's YouTube video is doing a totally trending dessert. I'm sure you've seen these cream tarts everywhere, but this version is made with literally 2 ingredients and then some fun toppings. How pretty is this? I'm like obsessed. Oh wait, really quick, I want to show you guys a close-up because it's so gorgeous and was literally probably one of the easiest things I've ever made. I mean, the raspberries and the strawberries with the fresh flowers and the pretty pink candies. And like, let me show you the layers here. I mean,